Hi, Azza here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing two easy and healthy omelette combinations. So first going to show you a western style omelette. It has bell pepper, onion and cheese. And then the second one is mushroom and cheese. The very simple and yummy omelette. These omelettes are perfect for weekends and let's make them together. This is me trying to chop up an onion like a chef and looks so cool. Anyway, first thing first, we have to chop up an onion. It's better to dice it well, like that. Then chop up half of bell pepper. You can add both red and green bell pepper. Both taste good. Now crack 2 eggs in a bowl and whisk together until mixed and well. Start by heating a pan over medium heat. Spray olive oil and add chopped bell pepper and onion. Saute them for about 6-7 minutes or so until they lightly brown and tender, something like that, and set it aside. Now heat a small pan and melt the butter and let it around to coat the bottom of the pan. Add eggs to the pan and add the lid on. So gently move the eggs around the pan as they begin to settle. I like to pull the edges of the egg toward the center of the pan, allowing the loose eggs to move over. Continue until your eggs are almost cooked and you have a thin layer of the loose egg on the top of the omelet. Now it's time to add the cooked veggies onto half of your omelette and add the cheese over the top. Now it's time to fold the omelette onto its side to create a half moon. I like to add the lid on and let sit for a minute or so to cheese melt well. Then serve it with leftover veggies and enjoy. What we like about this omelette is the combination of sweetness and saltiness. The sweetness of bell pepper and onion and the saltiness of melted cheese. So yummy. Now move on to the next omelette. First, let's chop up some mushrooms. Heat olive oil in a small saute pan and add mushrooms. Saute for 5 minutes or so until lightly brown and tender. And season with salt and pepper and set it aside. Now heat a small pan and melt the butter and let it around to coat the bottom of the pan. So cook eggs like we cooked before and then add sauteed mushroom and cheese to the egg base like so. Fold the egg over onto itself. Open the lid for 30 seconds to melt the cheese and then serve with some sauteed mushroom. Enjoy! This one is my hubby's favorite and he loves this combination. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe, like and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.